Namaste, Hamisha Khushro Bitia. This is JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. This is my session number 23. Today's my topic is Kant's contribution. According to Kant, he looked upon as one of the best teacher and exponent of homeopathic school of America, more than 40 years of medical practice, over 30 years of his teaching experience. He was the only homeopath who contributed vastly to the system in the three fields, that is philosophy, second materia medica, and the repertory. His works of repertory is more systematic than any previous author systematically indexed. He created portraits of remedies. For example, Surfer as a ragged philosopher. Later, Dr. Emil Tyrer, his student, further developed his ideas of constitutional pictures of remedies and wrote a book, Homeopathic Drug Pictures. Kant is remembered for his observations, Kant's 12 observation, that is a big contribution in the field of homeopathy. In his lectures on homeopathic philosophy, pioneered the use of highly potentized remedies. About 200 remedies are mentioned in this book. Theory of octaves, he discovered that just as there are octaves of musical tones, so there are octaves in simple substance through which it is possible to correspond with the various plan of the interior organism of animal cells. These plans correspond to similar remedy in 30, 200, 1M, 10M, 50M, CMDM, MM potencies. Single medicine prescription, wait and watch principle, which he adopted from the fourth edition of Organon of Medicine, no repetition of dry dose till improvement from previous dose is stopped completely. This theory is given by Dr. Kant. In books, his contributions, lectures on homeopathic philosophy, repertory of homeopathic materia medica, lectures on homeopathic materia medica, lesser writing, clinical cases, new remedies, aphorisms and percepts, use of repertory, how to study the repertory, clinical cases, repertory, repertorization, what the physician needs to know in order to make a successful prescription. These are the books of the Kant. He contributed in the field of homeopathy. His lectures, his repertory, his materia medica, all these books are the famous in the field of homeopathy, otherwise in other field also. 1900 appointed he is appointed as a dean of Donner Homeopathic Medical College, Chicago, professor of philosophy, repertory, and the materia medica. In 1905, Dr. Kant is appointed as a dean of Hahnemannian Homeopathic Medical College, Chicago. 1903 successfully resolved the ongoing competition between the Herring and the Dunham School and incorporated both institutes into Herring Medical College, of which Kant was first president. It was one of the best college. SC Allen J.H. Animal professor in this college. 1897 he published Repertory of Homeopathic Materia Medica. As we know, Kant's repertory. 1916, after completing his third edition of the repertory on the insistence, his book took a vacation and went to Stevensville, Montana. He was suffering from the cataract bronchitis, which developed into Bright's disease, and 2 weeks later, on June 16, 1916, he was died. He was member of the Illinois State Homeopathic Medical Society, American Institute of Homeopathy, International Hahnemannian Association, honorary corresponding membership in British and Homeopathic Medical Society. So these are the contribution of Dr. Kent in the field of repertory. Now the topic is completed. My reference books are The Essential of Repertorization by Dr. Shashikant Tiwari, referred by Dr. Khanaj. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Session, Digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.